How to fix Twitter verification code not received. So if you're facing a problem with Twitter verification code, then first of all you have to open up your settings, your phone settings, and make sure you have turned on your notifications of Twitter. So open up your apps and notifications under your settings, and then go for see all apps, and here go and search for Twitter. So Twitter has been converted to X. You can simply choose that app, and then you can go for notifications, and here if you have turned off your notifications of Twitter, then you have to turn that on, and after turning this notifications on, you will now receive the code. But if you still didn't receive the code, then you have to update your Twitter application. You can open up your Play Store and then tap on the search bar and search for Twitter. And after searching, here you will have this application. So if you have an update option instead of this open option, you can simply tap on update, and then you have to update your Twitter application. And after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you have to check your Gmail address. So if you have provided your wrong Gmail address, then you will not be receiving the code to your correct Gmail address. So you have to check your Gmail address, and after that you have to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might be facing that kind of problem. And that's it. These are the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.